Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now tap on biometrics and security. Go into face recognition and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer, click continue and be still. Now tap done, and when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!